Yeah, we're just gonna like keep it we can't put that our I have a charger. Yeah, pass it right now. No, you pass me the phone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And I certainly appreciate this. Y'all must know I really need this on a Friday. Miss Burris is here. She said, they'll be ready once you get them to order. As soon as the music stops, y'all got the order. So that means you don't really need a principal to tell you to get the order. And I certainly appreciate that. I appreciate the way you came in, being very orderly. I appreciate the way you're sitting there anticipating a good program. So again, I certainly appreciate that. But that's also what I expect. So again, I appreciate it, and thank you so much for getting to attention before I had to ask you. Thank you so much.
Good morning, and welcome alumni, faculty, and friends. We are gathered here today to not look back at the pages of history books, but to celebrate the living history within this room. Black History Month is a time to honor resilience and brilliance of the Black community, but it's also a time for us as a diverse body of alumni to acknowledge the ties that bind us together. While our individual experiences on this campus may have differed, our commitment to excellence and our shared memories form a single enduring legacy. Today we celebrate Black pioneers who paved the way and the entire alumni family that continues to support a future of equity and mutual respect. Today's program is a tribute to Black experience, the joy, the struggle, and the incredible contributions that have shaped our world and our school. We are honored to have an audience full of alumni from all walks of life. Black history is, in every sense, our collective history. It is the story of how far we've come and the roadmap to where we are going. Let's celebrate the voices that have too often been silenced and the community that brings us all together here today. Thank you.
Please rise for the pledge. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Please rise.
Every voice that
Order, fellas. Port, arm. Forward, march.
Good morning. Good morning. Amen. It's good to be here today. Today I have the awesome responsibility of greeting us today. Amen. So I want to say to you, we thank you for coming. This is an honor and privilege as we come together today. We honor our students here today, the Westside alumni, our friends, family. We all in one today, amen? And certainly, students, thank you for coming today and sharing in this great event.